Hi, good day! Welcome Cooking 101 Ilutong Bahay. For today's Cooking 101, magluluto tayo ngayon ng chicken with tomato sauce and oyster sauce. Yan, yung mga ingredients niya, potato, carrots, and then some And to
condiments.
start it off, nag-isa na muna tayo ng ingredients and chicken.
Leftover natin ng mga nakalagay sa ref.
And then, after natin ma-mix up, pwede natin ilagay yung ating mga vegetables like carrots and potato. Then, konting
2 to 3 minutes,
mix up.
siguro lalambot na
Yan.
siya. Then, cover muna natin para makita natin yung outcome. So, after, lalagyan lang natin oyster sauce and then itong tomato
Sauce. And
paste.
mix it up.
So, medyo malambot na. Pwede na natin ilagay yung tomato sauce at ang oyster sauce. I-combine na natin siya din na konting seasoning. Check it out. Ayan, medyo malambot na siya. So, pwede na natin lagyan ng salt, ng konti lang. Ayan. Then, another seasoning, mga cubes, konti lang, and then itong pampalasa. Hindi na iba pang mga ingredients. Kasi mas maganda yung very natural lang yung pag-asa. Then, after natin siya ng oyster sauce, yan, para magkaroon ng color combination. Sarap talaga to, kahit anong menu ay masarap pag may
And
oyster.
finally, it's done and it's cooked and it's ready now to prepare for our lunch time for our final menu in Cooking 101.
So, until here for a while, thank you, and we'll see you again next cooking. And
Bye!